All right, now the real fun starts. Ink. So get a cup, pour a little ink into it. You can dilute it with a little bit of water if you want. Your brand new brush probably will arrive stiffened because there's a starch paste in it to protect it before it's used. So what you want to do is wash that out in the sink first. And then how you get it to a point here is when it's wet, you flick it like that and it goes down into a point. Now this isn't wet, I just have the ink here, so I'm not going to bother with that for now. However, so explore various aspects of mark, line, shape, and the character of this media. All right, ink. So you want to dip it in a little bit. You can kind of drag it along the edge here to take out some excess, and then play around with what kind of marks you can make. Now this is a really great tool invented by the Chinese, thousands of years ago. Horsehair brush. So you can practice or play around. Again, play. Use it. Traditionally, it's held like this when you're doing calligraphy, but again, experiment with different ways to hold it. You can lightly press the tip into the paper. You can make marks more like that by dragging it along. This is called flying white, where there's white of the paper comes through some of the marks, and that's what's great about this. You get different kinds of stuff happening with the end of the brush. That just gives you more expression. Okay, so marks, again, you guys play around and experiment. You can use some of your old paper if you want here after you photograph it. Make sure that so you can tell me or communicate that you did the assignment. So now you can play around with more of a linear thing. This thing is just so fun. Again, you can give it more pressure, less pressure, do these delicate kinds of things, more bold things, really bold. Okay. Again, we're playing with mark, line, and shape at the moment. Careful, this stuff will ruin your clothing. Again, shape, geometric, organic. Don't be afraid to just fill up your paper here and have some fun experiencing this media. All right, ink.